Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm trying something different. This is not my style, but I really wanted to see how this goes, you know. I'm trying this vlog type of style and I'm filming this with my phone, so the quality might not be as good as my previous videos, but let's go for it. Let's see how this goes. So as the title says, into this video I'm going to try out some Heatless stuff to wave my hair. I don't know how that is called, but I saw that on TikTok, also on Instagram, because you know people reshare TikTok videos on Reels. Anyway, so yeah, I saw that a lot, and I already have the wand that makes those waves, but you know this is more like safe for the hair because you're not adding any heat. My arm hurts already. That's what we are going to try out in today's video. I really hope it works. And I have like two hairs, so I'm going to add some extensiones. They are right there, they are prepared. Also, this is the box. So yeah, let's do this. I bought this smart jump robe. I haven't used it yet, but it's so smart. It's like sending the info on my phone. Anyway, so this is what I was talking about. It came in this big box. I'm going to have the link down below. I bought this from Amazon and I think it was 17 euros. I don't know exactly, but it came with a bunch of these wavers, also this thing so you can pull or attach or put your hair into this, and this is how it looks. It's pretty long. I think I'm going to film this with my camera because it's so hard to do this with one hand. Anyway, so yeah, this is how much wavers, I don't know how to call them, but we have a lot of them. This is how it looks. If you have longer hair than this, you can just attach two of them, you know, just like that. Anyway, so I might have to switch to my camera now because I don't know how to do this. Okay, bye. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you guys my hair and then I'm going to clip in my extensions. This is my hair right now. It's pretty long, not that long, but I want more volume, more thickness. So I'm going to add my beautiful human hair extensions. And as we can see, this hair already has some waves in it, but I'm going to wet it with some water and it will lose the waves because this hair is straight. So let's do that. Ooh, I'm sorry if the I had my mic up because I usually get makeup on it, so I put it up. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me in the previous clip. Anyway, so this is how my hair looks right now. This is literally soaking wet, like it's dripping water. Okay, keep in mind that my natural hair is already wavy. Woo, I'm running out of air. Next I'm going to add a shit ton of this Pantene Perfect Volume Espuma. I don't know how to say this in English. Foam? Hair foam? Maybe. You can add hairspray or any type of hair gel. I don't really like this. I only use it to slick my hair back, so that's that. Also to, you know, to lay down my edges. So I will probably use just a little bit of this because this is so very strong. Ooh. Okay. It smells so good. It smells like shampoo. It's getting in my eye. Oh, okay. I'm going to wash my hands. Be right back. I'm going to add a little bit of this hairspray because why not? Also, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to attach this to make it longer, and it has like a hook. Then we insert this into this, and I should work in small sections. So I'm going to take this much hair. This depends on how thick or thin you want to make your waves or sections. I don't know, I'm going to take this much. I feel like we have a pretty good amount of hair. Let's see how this goes. Let me just hook it. All of it. Alright, so I have all of my hair in that little hook. And now I'm going to pull it through this thing. Oh, it's hard. Well, fun. It's not working, you guys. Let me just take less hair to see if that works. And you want to go as close to the scalp as possible, but because I have extensions, I can't go any closer than this. But let's see if it works, because it's getting annoying. You go in there, as I say, okay? Oh, you have to pull harder. My bad. I'm not trying to go bald in here. Okay. Wow, I feel like this will stay in there. So if you wanna use them during the night, I feel like it's pretty easy, but it will take some time. You just hook the hair into that little hook, you see that? And then you pull this up. Because it has this silicone thing at the end, it will stay. Oh yeah, look at this. This one looks to work a little bit better, yeah. So make sure you hold this up here. Yeah, it's working. Ah, it's working. Okay, let's speed this, because I'm sure you don't want to watch a 20 minutes video of me just doing this. Don't forget to hydrate.
Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar, too soon to say. Hey, says what's sad, but I've been locked up. Hit me with the starstruck, do it again. Hey, what's up? Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar, too soon to say.
Oh my god, I'm waiting some packages and I really hope I don't scare it. Let's see how it goes. So I bought something from Amazon, as per usual. He kind of got scared, but he was wearing sunnies, but he played cool, you know? He kind of act like he didn't saw what's going on here, so anyway. This is hair extensions, it's not mine. But why? See you in 8 hours. I hope not. Okay, so it's been like 2 hours and a half maybe since I installed them. I think I'm going to keep them for 1 more hour, or maybe I'm going to go a little bit out on my balcony because outside is boiling. Ooh, it's boiling hot. I almost dropped my phone. And that will speed up the drying process, and then I will do the grand reveal. I think I'm going to use my camera to do the grand reveal. Look at you guys. Oh my god, you look so beautiful today. Oh my goodness, look at you. You are glowing, baby. Alright guys, so it's been like 3 hours and a half, maybe 4 since I put them in. Are you scared? Because I am. Okay, let's do this. It sounds a little bit crunchy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Do you hear that? I feel like I applied way too much of that foam. Wow, that sounds crunchy. And it looks so cute. It doesn't... It doesn't hurt when I pull them off.
Says what's sad, but I've been locked up. Hit me with the starstruck, do it again.
What the heck? What the heck? What? We have a set. No, I don't like it. So I'm going to gently run my fingers through it and see how that goes.
What's up? Sorry, but I'm fucked up. Could've been the dollar.
I don't know what to do with this top part. I'm okay with the bottom. Not bad at all. I'm going to show you how it looks in the back. Oh, you can see my sports bra. So I couldn't take it off because I had these things on my head, so I couldn't take it off, and I struggled to put this top on, but it worked. Okay, so don't mind that. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I do really love how the hair turned out. These things definitely work once you get the hang of it. It's gonna be this easy to do your hair. They work, okay? This top part, that's on me because I don't know how to style curly hair, wavy hair, whatever. So yeah, I just put that in the back and hope for the best. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys tried this. How are they called? I don't know. If you guys try them, let me know down below. Or if you guys are interested to try them. I do really like. This is like a beachy, mermaidy hair. And if you have longer hair, as I said, you can, you know, tuck this in. And if you have longer hair, it will work. Trust me. I know what I'm saying. I guess that's it. I don't know what else I wanted to say. Oh, definitely use less hair foam, whatever that is called. I don't even know how that. Or hairspray. Use less. I used like a shit ton of product. Also, let me know if you guys like this type of vlogging style. Should I do more? Just let me know down below. And without any further ado, anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Bye guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.